Manibulise namhlanje igama nguSimphiwe from kwaSimphiwe Molefe Properties. Ke namhlanje silapha eBhongweni. We've got a very beautiful property up behind me. Yabo. Cala nje sibabonise. Please join us here for you ngangena just to show them. When it's on the side, it's more special up on a pandy. So in a space is cool. If you look at it in the outside there, the corner, the toilet in a pant and it's very spacious. Cool. There's quite a lot that you can do, you know. So like a thing about a pagati. Before getting in another garage, it's a double garage. Any more to up as in being or name. Yeah, but that's one of the advantages we have. Then we've got your Nancy Kumbilako, Kalamasian up, sitting room yako, dining room yako, Kababoni, such a babone. Then together and a half baboni. Then Skalinaka it's a 4-bedroom house. Two, to absolutely 3. Then we've got another surprise, the garage, the double garage, just show them. That's one of the surprises is in us. We've got the main bedroom. Main bedroom yakho bingona kusazokwenziwa ne-ensuite. It's very good, it's very big, cool, very spacious as you want. Then lastly we've got our kitchen area. I think we can just take some time about the kitchen area. Over in the sitting area. So it's tied. A corner of 4 years up. It's just a matter of you moving everything ready. Okay, I think now, if you are normally when I come for viewing from Tenga, you know, you're more than welcome. Please phone 043 721 0351. Alternatively, phone emergency line 073 27 12 589. Our agency name is Simphiwe Molefe Properties. Do follow us on all our social media platforms. Go TikTok Sikona, Instagram Sikona, Facebook Sikona, you know, YouTube Sikona, and other various platforms. Do follow us. Thank you very much for joining us. God bless you.